Were you involved in a car accident with a police vehicle? Today I'm going to explain the hoops that you have to jump through and how it's pretty difficult to bring a claim for a car accident with a police vehicle. So this is what happened. Somebody called me up, they said, "Hey Guy, I was involved in a car accident." I said, "What happened?" They said, "Well, I was going through an intersection, a police vehicle was going through an intersection, and we hit in the middle of the intersection. I believe that I had the green light. The police officer said that he or she had the green light, and there's a dispute over the claim." Said, "Well, you know, because this is a disputed claim and arguably there's a percentage of fault on both of you, there is nothing that I can do for you." And you might be saying, "Well, why?" Well, first let me explain the situation if you and I are involved in a car accident. Two regular people, not a police officer, are involved in a car accident, and there's a dispute over an intersection crash. In Indiana, you can still collect a percentage of your damages as long as you are not over 50% at fault. So typically, if there are no witnesses to the accident and it's a disputed intersection crash and we don't have evidence to show who was specifically at fault, we call those cases 50-50 cases. So you'd be entitled to 50% of your property damage, 50% of your injuries, 50% of your medical expenses, those types of things. On the other hand, if there's a police officer involved in the accident, under those facts and circumstances, you're probably going to get zero. Why is this? Because when you bring a claim against a municipality or a state agency, you cannot be arguably 1% at fault. You see, with regular people, we follow a doctrine called comparative fault. Against a state or local agency or municipality, we follow an old doctrine called contributory negligence. That means if a jury finds you 1% at fault and the police officer 99% at fault, you get zero, zilch, nothing. You say, "Well, that's unfair." I agree, but that is the law of the land in the state of Indiana. So if you are involved in a motor vehicle accident with a police officer, with a Parks and Recreation vehicle, with a water department vehicle, with anything that is a state or local municipality vehicle, you better make sure that you dot all your I's, cross all your T's, have all the evidence to show that the other person that was driving the state or municipality vehicle was 100% at fault. Otherwise, you're going to get nothing. Any questions regarding a Northwest Indiana personal injury matter, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.